Welcome to my apartment tour. I currently live in an old house built in the 1920s in Sweden. It was remade into 4 apartments, and my part of the house is the smallest, 30 square meters. I moved in here in June 2024 and I'm about to move out in August, and I'm moving back to Japan due to some visa issues, but I'm not going to talk about that right now. So I haven't had enough time to make it like perfect in my eyes, and since I knew from like the beginning of this year that I was moving, I didn't buy anything more really, but of course I still wanted to share with you guys before I move, and I'm gonna start packing like right after filming this video. I hope you enjoy.
Hello?
Welcome into the stairway. I'm gonna do 0.5. Here is where my neighbor used to live. She moved out though. And then we go up to my apartment. Here is the top of the stairs. So my bathroom is outside of my apartment. Okay, first off, I got a little rug here because I don't know what it is, but I really don't like to walk on flooring without anything soft. Here is the bathroom. It's not cute and it's very loud. First off, we got some towels, and I have a lot of lavender. And then we got the shower. It's very small. It's honestly really annoying to shower because if I close this door, then it's like this, so there's not much space to go in or out of the shower. This is how I have to do it. Like, I have an S-strip razor, which I love, and then I switched out like all of the bottles for pumps or these squeeze ones. I have been planning on putting labels on everything, but then I got a loofah and a clock, just so I can keep track on how long I've had my hair masking. Next up, we just got a toilet, as you do, and I got my vacuum beside it and the tiniest little sink. And yeah, so this is why I got most of my skincare in my kitchen. And then we got a mirror, and I love the shape of it. And of course, you gotta have everything in raspberry, not flavor, what's it called, like scent, I guess. Same with this. If you did not see, I have another door here that is just for storage. So coming in, we have my kitchen slash living room, I don't know. More like a creative space right here, and a bit of bathroom as well because I have my skincare and makeup right here. Now these 2 shelves are truly a lifesaver. They can fit like everything. Unfortunately, everything looks pretty aesthetic as well. I guess we'll start from the bottom, or maybe do the hangers first. So I got a cap that I use a lot of the time, my raincoat, and this little birdie that is a shoehorn. My keys, I love my keys. They're so cute. And my bags. Unfortunately, my bunny lost an arm, but yeah, these bags I really like. So right here we got all of my shoes, not all of them, everything except winter shoes, and also formal shoes, I guess. We got my super cute dogs, my Adidas, some sneakers, and sandals. These sandals I actually got gifted. It's my first like expensive item. It was gifted by the brand Yellow. Next up, we got some Pumas, Converse, and way too big rain boots. Second level is, oh, by the way, this kind of shelf is more kitchen related, and this is like miscellaneous. So maybe let's go from here. I got my 2 sewing machines and I love this one. It's super cute and really good as well. Next up, we got a lot of fabric. We got some yarn. One level up, we got skincare and makeup. I don't know if you're interested, but oh yeah, my pillows as well. Here you can kind of see what I got. Up here we got things I need when I go out, so like hats, and this is kind of random, but this is just for when I'm traveling. Hats, bags, sunscreen, all of those kinds of things. And my wallet, some knickknacks in this box, and my sunglasses. Last level is very high up. I hope you can hear me. The white one is basically packing related items. One is umbrellas and stuff, and the next one is threads. Let me actually stand on this. Okay, so let's go from the top. We just got things that I'm gonna consume. It's pretty obvious what I have here, so let's go to the next one, I guess. Just more food, cooking related items, and a little bit of sewing things here. Next level down, I think it's super cute. I got my iPad on one side and then this kind of mini shelf with some bowls, mugs, sugar and pepper. And this cutting board, it's so cute. Next level down is my microwave and bananas. I basically always have 3 bananas. And lastly, here's where I dry things and also have my rice cooker. I almost forgot to show you this. I got a magnet from like a Moomin park in Japan, and I got this little guy, which I love. He's so cute. And I guess my fridge name is Candy. I haven't even thought about that before. Now for this whole area, first off, up here we have like my mini store, I guess. No, but I got some spare things or whatever. Mostly self-care related items. And then here we got the cleaning stuff. Now maybe this is my favorite part. Let me just put this back. My spices are running low, as you can tell, but got my oven mitts, got a tiny little cutting board, and then some more just kitchen related items. I love these. They're so tiny and cute. I don't know if you can tell, but this oven is actually pretty tiny. It's like very slim, but definitely enough for me. Then we got some soaps and, you know, just normal kitchen things. In these little thingies, there's not that much over there, but we have a few things here. Coasters, I don't know what these are called. Chip clip, and just some miscellaneous. Yeah. Underneath here, we just got some normal kitchen things, but yeah, I bought way too many bags. This is what this looks like. Here's my drinkware, I think it's called, and my bowls. On this side, we got bigger bowls, strainer, and stuff like that. I love this bowl, by the way. Now, I feel like I should step back. It's kind of close, but I don't usually open these cupboards. I just have like extra stuff, basically. Everything in bags to keep away from silverfish. Yeah. Very hygienic. So I'm gonna actually have to film the rest tomorrow. Can I even show you? Like, the sun is going behind the trees, so... So starting off with the table, I got a really big table because I wanted a space where I can do my hair as well as eat and also do art. And I needed the chairs to be comfortable since I'm gonna sit here a lot, and I want to be able to sit on my knees. So I went with these chairs. Even though they have the black metal, I was planning on painting it in the future. And I got this foam roller so I can reach the floor. On top of this, This thing is from IKEA and the table as well. I have salt because I love salt. And I also have my earbuds, a knife, lip balm. And inside here we got all of my art related things. By the way, what do you think about my new cover? I love this cover. In the window I got this that I thrifted recently. I think you're supposed to put a candle in it, and I almost forgot the mirror. So I love this mirror. This is also from IKEA. I just like that you can like check the back of your head, I guess, when it has these 3 mirrors that you can fold. Then we got a trolley, some thread, a little frame, and also over there we got an angel. These were already holes that were in the walls, so I just put things where they are. In the trolley we have skincare, hair care, oh, and my headphones, mostly hair stuff. And I feel like I always say this, but this color doesn't really look like it does on camera. It's more like muted and warm, but yeah. I got this little command strip hook right here with a towel, and then on this side we got my pantry. Here it is. There's not much to say, I don't think. Down here I got like some miscellaneous things. Here's more food related things. In here I got like bread or crackers, and also I got my tea in the small one. These plates are from IKEA. I really like them, but I just wish they were like a little bit more off-white or like the color of these. They are a bit cool tone, but the shape is super cute. And then we got these. They look really dirty, but they're clean. They just stain so easily. Oh, and by the way, if you see this kind of orange powder, it's like to kill any insects. Up here I just got some towels and a lot of these scent things. I guess the last thing I'm gonna mention is just this cute doorbell, but it's super loud. Now moving on to my bedroom. I guess we'll start off with the bed. I found this bed sheet on Amazon. I actually really like it, and it has held up pretty well. There's a few threads loose, but it is a little bit big, if you can tell. I think maybe 20 centimeters is too big, but you can't really tell. It just almost touches the floor. I got this white IKEA bed. I really wanted a vintage dark wooden one, but you know, you can't just buy one. It's kind of hard to find. I have some mismatched pillowcases because I didn't have any other, but yeah. And then I got this bunny from Bukowski. It's in Stockholm. Her name is Gredelin. Then next to the bed we have a little nightstand. It's actually not that little. I got it because it's big and also it matches these drawers. A lot of this is from IKEA just because that was the quickest and easiest for me. Like these flowers, the lamp, the nightstand. But then I got some little trinkets here, a lot of deer, and a tarot deck from Nicoletta Secoli. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I really like her art. I found this beautiful tray at a secondhand store. This trinket is actually from Daiso. And I have my cat Figaro, who passed away. I have his fur in here. And here we don't got much. A Japanese book, an English book, and a notebook. My glasses, a small mirror, some ibuprofen, I don't know how to pronounce that, and hand cream. Oh, and my SSD hard drive. Underneath I got some hair stuff and also eye mask for sleeping. Oh, and I have this hidden in case there's any insects. I guess we'll just keep on going from here. And I have a small little frame with some artwork that I really love, and this is really random. It's not very cute or anything, but I got this chair right here which you can basically ignore. Then over here we got some not so cute boxes. My niece just popped. These were supposed to be under the bed, but they like dig into the rug, so I can't get them out. And because I need more storage anyways, I just kept them here and then put a blanket on top. Here we have my deer and this teddy, which is also from the same brand as that one. By the way, a really weird thing is that this teddy is named the same name as the place I'm living in, like the same town. And this teddy has the same name as my landlord, so that's so weird. I got this big Bambi at Tokyo Disneyland or Sea, and the middle one I got in a thrift store here. This is the only closet space I have. During winter, I had my winter coat right here. Oh my god. Forgot how to open it. We have some hoodies hanging here in case it's cold, but it's actually 28 degrees right now. Oh, and I got a bag. Here are my clothes. So the tops here and the dresses are like my prettier pieces, which I would wear more like going somewhere special, but I actually haven't worn any. But yeah, and I got some jackets and all of my bottoms are here. I do have a light here, but I don't think the camera likes it. Oh, I think it's fine now, maybe. Here are my winter coats and some books. Then I actually run out of space, so I just put my winter PJs right there for now. I usually have all of my tripods in here, and then these two steamers and iron. Oh my god, why am I forgetting how to do this? Moving on, we got two bags. I usually don't wear these. It's a Vogue tote that I got. I really like the font, but I'm not a big fan of gray or like glittery silver, but I got it as a gift because I subscribe to them. And then this bag is from Brandy, but I added these like leather that were actually from another bag, but it's like really hard to open and close, and it doesn't have any like water bottle pocket, so I tend to not use it. Next is my ironing board, and looking behind, I got some lavender oil and I put up this net. Also, please let me know which part is like your favorite of my room or the whole apartment. I actually don't know, but I really like this part a lot. We got a lot of teddies and they are all pretty old. These dolls and these teddies are made by my mom, like I think like probably when I was young. This little shelf looks kind of sad, but I really like my Slovenian family's characters. In here I got like crystals, and I actually only had one crystal. Then I got teeth and coins. And here I got my jewelry. In here is all of my jewelry, I think. I've kind of split up which ones I'll bring to Japan. I don't think I'm gonna bring these. This one is my favorite. It's the wrong way. Wait. It's a tiny strawberry, and I do like this one as well, the deer. Those are from my brand. Oh, and I can't forget my Dark Souls Design Works book. It has some cool art. I haven't had much time to go through it, but I think I'm gonna do it this month. We got some more things hidden here, just a scale and a ruler. I actually have a mat underneath here for like sewing as well. Moving on to over here, hidden behind the curtains is where I dry my laundry, which is like perfect because it's like it's a little crevice, but you can't really tell that it's there and it's not in the way at all. I'm actually sweating so bad. And then I got a very big laundry basket because I hated dealing with having just like a small laundry basket before. Last thing I'm gonna mention for this room is the molding, I guess, and the ceiling. I really like this wallpaper. Let me see. Here you can kind of tell. I love the wallpaper. I love the molding. It's very amateur though, but I don't mind. And least favorite thing is definitely this vinyl floor. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Like I mentioned in the video, please let me know if you have any favorites like areas or whatever. I'd love to hear, and I'll hope you stick around for my move to Japan.